Okay, students. The next important concepts is atomic number. Atomic number. Already in fundamental classes we have discussed what is atomic number. It is represented by the symbol is Z. Atomic number means the number of protons or electrons atomic number is nothing but the number of protons or electrons present in an atom, present in an atom called atomic number. It is represented by symbol Z. So atoms is nothing but neutral. So for neutral atoms, number of electrons number of electrons is equal to atomic number Z is equal to number of protons. Okay. Next, for cations means positive ions. For positive ions, number of electrons equal to number of electrons is equal to Z. Positive charge, when positive charge will comes for atom loss of electrons, Z minus number of electrons lost. Number of electrons lost. That number of electrons lost means, for example, 2 electrons is lost means 2 units positive charge is present. If 3 electrons is lost means 3 units positive charge will comes. So for positive ions, the number of electrons is equal to Z minus charge or Z minus number of electrons lost. For anions, anions means what? Negative ions. For anions means negative ions. For negative ions, number of electrons. So when an atom will get negative charge by accepting electrons. For example, if the atom accepting one electron or taking one electron or receiving one electron, it has 1 unit negative charge is present. If accepting 2 electrons, then 2 units negative charge present on the atom. If accepting 3 electrons, 3 units negative charge present on that atom. Okay, so for anions, the number of electrons formula is equal to Z plus number of electrons gained. Number of electrons gained or number of electrons received is known as the formula for electrons. Number of electrons for negative ions. See, atomic number means atoms. Generally atoms are the neutral, we know very well. So in that case, for atoms, atomic number formula or atomic number means it is equal to number of protons or number of electrons. So because for neutral atoms, always the electrons number is equal to protons number is equal to atomic number. But in cations or anions, the number of electrons not equal to number of protons. So in that case, the number of electrons for cations is equal to Z minus number of electrons lost, and number of electrons for anions is equal to Z plus number of electrons gained. And here one important formula, Moseley is scientist. Moseley has find out the atomic number. Mostly find out the atomic number in cathode ray discharge tube experiment. From if cathode in cathode ray discharge tube experiment, alpha particles are released from the atom, means in middle. In cathode ray discharge tube, already we know the diagram. In cathode ray discharge tube, he is using different number of different types of atoms, and he released alpha particles. Then what happens, ma? From that atom, different frequencies of X-rays are released. Based on the frequency of X-rays, he find out the atomic number. If X-rays frequencies increases, then the atomic number will be increases. Based on that observation, Moseley has given one equation that is called Moseley's equation for atomic number. Moseley equation is root over mu. Frequency symbol is mu. Root mu is equal to a minus a into z minus b, where mu is equal to frequency of X-rays. Frequency of X-rays. Z is equal to atomic number. Z is equal to atomic number. A, comma B are the constants. A and B are the constants, man. So, what is the relation between the frequency of X-rays and atomic number given by Moseley? That relation is equal to root mu is equal to A into Z minus B, where mu is equal to frequency of X-rays. Z is equal to atomic number. A and B are the constants. So this is the Moseley's equation or Moseley's relation between the frequency of X-rays and atomic number. Generally, atomic number represents the number of protons or electrons in a atom, because atoms are neutral particles. So for neutral particles or any ions, instead of except neutral atoms or any ions, whether cations or anions, in that case its atomic number is always is equal to number of protons, because number of protons for atoms or ions it is fixed, it is always is equal to atomic number, because that's why protons will never changes, but electrons will changes, because the electrons only involving in chemical bonding. How the electrons are involving in chemical bonding? By the formation of molecules or compounds or matter, by the either transfer of electrons or gaining of electrons or sharing of electrons. That is known as chemical bonding. That is known as a chemical bonding. So this is about atomic number, ma'am. So in this next concept is the next is atomic mass. Here atomic numbers based on that calculation of number of electrons, protons, important mark. Already in basic concepts of chemistry, there are also some questions are came. Among the following, which has maximum number of molecules, maximum number of electrons, maximum number of atoms in that concept. So, to find out the number of electrons, protons, neutrons, also very, very important. Let's see, the another one is atomic mass. Atomic mass represented by the symbol is A, capital A. What is definition for atomic mass? Atomic mass is nothing but the sum of protons and neutrons, called atomic mass. So the atomic mass A is equal to the number of protons number plus neutrons number. P plus N is known as atomic mass. But P means what, ma? P is always is equal to atomic number. So A is equal to Z plus N, because the number of protons always represents the atomic number. So from this relation, number of neutrons Number of neutrons is equal to, what is the formula for number of neutrons? A minus Z. Number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z. Okay, understood, ma? So let's listen. What are the formulas to find out number of electrons, protons and neutrons? Number of protons. Number of protons for atoms as well as ions is equal to atomic number only. That is fixed. Number of protons formula either for atoms means neutral as well as for ions is equal to its atomic number. The second one is number of electrons formula. Number of electrons formula. The first one is for atoms. For atoms, number of electrons is equal to Z is equal to number of protons. The second formula is for cations. For cations is equal to Z minus number of electrons lost. For anions equal to is equal to Z plus number of electrons gained or number of electrons accept. And one more formula. So now protons formula. Protons calculation we know that, electrons calculation as well as neutron calculation. The third one is number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z is always fixed. Number of neutrons formula is equal to A minus Z. And number of protons formula for atoms as well as ions. Number of neutrons for atoms as well as ions for atoms and as well as ions is equal to A minus Z is always fixed. A minus Z. See, three formulas. So atomic number we discussed, atomic mass definition we discussed. Based on the atomic number and atomic mass, number of protons for atoms or as well as any ions is always is equal to atomic number, and number of electrons for atoms is equal to atomic number. For cations is equal to Z minus number of electrons lost. For anions means negative ions is equal to Z plus number of electrons gained. For number of neutrons formula either for atoms or as well as ions is equal to A minus Z. A minus Z. Understood, ma? Anybody have doubt? Clear? Inform me. Observe. Soundarya. Okay. Sanjeev. Okay, ma? Listen. Jahanavi. Next. Representation of atoms. Atom symbol. Representation of atoms. Let's see how the atoms we are representing. For example, the atom symbol, if I am considered as X, this is the symbol of atom. Okay, now left side, the left side bottom, always we need to write atomic number, and upside or maybe diagonal, upside we need to write atomic number. For example, carbon is present. Here the carbon atomic number C is the symbol. X plus X is equal to C means carbon atom. Then its atomic number here 6 is present means it indicates the atomic number of carbon is 6, and mass is 12. This also we can represent it like C612. This vertical also we can write opposite 612, but not reverse. From left side bottom atomic number and opposite we can write atomic mass, or upside also we can write atomic mass. So like this is the symbol or representation of atoms. Representation of atoms. Okay, students, let's see. First 30 elements already in fundamental classes we are discussed. First 1 to 30 elements or 30 atoms, their atomic numbers and atomic masses we need to remember. Okay, based on that values we can find out number of electrons, protons as well as neutrons very easily. Okay. Let's see. Element or atom and atomic number Z and atomic mass A. Let's see. Hydrogen. First atom, hydrogen, atomic number is 1, atomic mass also 1. Hydrogen. Helium 2, 4. Lithium, Li. What is the symbol for lithium? Li. Atomic number is 3, 7. Atomic mass is 7. Beryllium 4, 9. Boron, atomic number is 5 and mass is 11. Boron 5, 11. Next carbon 6, 12. Next nitrogen 7, 14. The nitrogen atomic number is 7, atomic mass is 14. Next oxygen atom, atomic number is 8, atomic mass is 16. Fluorine 9, 19. Atomic mass is 19. Neon, atomic number is 10, atomic mass is 20. Neon. Okay, first 10 elements. The symbols hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Next, atom, Z value and A value. Let's see. The next one is 11, means sodium. Atomic number is 11, the atomic mass is 23. Sodium. Next, magnesium. Magnesium atomic number is 12, atomic mass is 24. Next, aluminum 13, 27. Silicon 14, 28. Phosphorus 15, 31. Sulfur 16, 32. Next, chlorine 17, 35.5. Next, argon. Argon atomic number is 18, the atomic mass is 40. Argon. Next, what one? Potassium 1939. Potassium 1939. Next, calcium 2040. See, these all are mostly up to 20 elements This if you are in periodic classification of elements, there we will discuss. These mostly all are belongs to S block elements as well as P block elements came. Now 21 onwards D block elements will enter. 21 to up to 30. After that remaining again P block elements will enter. See, while you observe the periodic table, how it is present, ma'am? Like the right side P block elements are present, the left side S block elements are present, in the middle the D block elements are present, and bottom F block elements are present. So in periodic table there we learn complete all atoms, their names, symbols, and how to remember their atomic numbers. Some rules are present, magic figures or magic numbers are there. There we need to remember in group wise. But here now just 1 to 30 elements, their atomic numbers and atomic masses you have to remember. Okay, students, let's see next 21. Atom, I think here not. Here we will write. Scandium 21. The atomic number is 21. The atomic mass is 45. Scandium. Titanium 2248. Vanadium 2352. Vanadium 51. Vanadium 51. 2351. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium 2452. Chromium atomic number is 24. The atomic mass is 52. Chromium. Manganese atomic number is 25. The atomic mass is 55. Iron, that is equal to 26. The mass is 56. Iron 56. Okay. Cobalt, CO. C small o is called cobalt. C capital O is called carbonyl group, carbon monoxide, CO. C capital O, carbon monoxide. C small o, cobalt. Okay, don't confuse. Its atomic number is 27. The atomic mass is cobalt 59. Nickel 28, 58.5. Ferrous, cobalt, nickel, copper 29, 64. Zinc 30, 65. See, up to 30 elements. In the yesterday we are conducted the exam. In that exam, zinc reacts with zinc metal reacts with sulfuric acid H2SO4 and forms, what is the products, ma'am? The products are ZnSO4, zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. H2 gas will release. There I think I asked how much amount of zinc required for the formation of maybe 240 ml of H2 gas or something I gave. So according that, what first these are the stoichiometric relations. 1 mole of zinc forms 1 mole of H2 gas. 1 mole of zinc atomic weight how much? 65 grams. 65 grams of zinc. 65 grams of zinc forms how much volume of hydrogen gas? 22,400 ml of H2 gas will form. 65 grams, because 1 mole of zinc forms 1 mole of H2. 1 mole means its gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight. Zinc is atom, that 1 mole of zinc means its gram atomic weight 65 grams. 1 mole of H2 gas, 1 mole of any gas at STP, because the reaction is taking place at STP only. Then its occupied volume is known as gram molar volume. The gram molar volume is equal to 22.4 liters or 22,400 ml. Then weight volume relation we need to use. Then again weight we have to calculate. So that is objective questions they will ask, or maybe in subjective also that kind of questions will come. That's why concept is very, very important for solving objective questions. Concept and related applications, how to do and how to solve that kind of applications. Okay, students, see, these are the first 30 elements, their atomic numbers and atomic masses. Yes, ma nickel 59 or fractional value or 58 we can consider. Here some abnormalities came. Generally atomic number increases, atomic mass also need to increase. But here abnormality came, cobalt in nickel, because nickel mass little bit less when compared with cobalt. As well as in potassium and calcium also the abnormality came. That potassium atomic number is not potassium and calcium, argon and calcium, or otherwise argon and potassium. Argon and potassium observed. Argon atomic number is 18, the mass is 40. But potassium atomic number is 19, the mass is 39, decrease a little bit. The same here also cobalt and nickel. Such type of pairs are called anomalous pairs that we will discuss in periodic classification of elements chapter. Okay, students. So you remember that values, mainly atomic mass up to 30 elements. Higher elements no need to remember. Higher elements in that exam only they will give that atomic numbers in brackets. Okay. Let's listen. I will ask one question. Tell me the answer properly. Okay. Number of electrons is equal to 10. Okay. And number of protons is equal to 11. Number of neutrons is equal to 12. So like values they given. Yes, ma, Seema, very good. See, electrons, protons and neutrons they given. Find the symbol of element or ion, whatever it may be. Tell me, it is atom or ion? Sodium, like they are giving somebody our answer, is not sodium. Sodium ion, Na plus ion, because Z equal to, according to the number of protons, then we will get Z value. Yes, ma. Z value. Z is equal to number of protons is equal to 11. 11 means that is sodium, because the atomic number is fixed always. The atomic number never changes. Atomic number is unique, but atomic mass not unique, because the atoms are existing in isotopic form. Atoms are existing in isotopic forms. Isotopes means same atomic number with different atomic masses. For example, carbon is there 6, 14. Like one isotope is existing. At the same time, nitrogen is present 7, 14. If you are observed, if you are you are taking as a reference atomic mass as a reference, means 14 and 14 means required only one symbol, but the symbol is carbon here and here nitrogen. That's why the atomic number is always unique. It is always is equal to whatever it may be for atoms or ions. Okay, they are called isobars. Isotopes. Isotopes means same atomic number 6, 12 and 6, 14. That's why average atomic number came. Average atomic mass concept came. Already we solved that problem related questions. Average atomic mass. That's why due to that average atomic mass concept, chlorine atomic mass is equal to 35.5, boron is equal to 10.8. They are existing in two isotopic form, boron 10 and 11. Okay, so protons is equal to means, but for neutral atom number of electrons and protons must should be equal, but electrons value is 10 they given. Electrons is less when compared to the protons. How many are less? One electron is less, means that is number of electrons is equal to Z minus charge or Z minus number of electrons plus is equal to 10, means 11 minus 1 is equal to 10, means they have one unit positive charge is present. Then the symbol is Na plus. The atomic number is 11, atomic mass is 23. So like, okay students, the same way we can find out number of electrons, protons and neutrons. N minus 3 nitride ion. Nitride ion is present, its atomic number is 7, the atomic mass is 14. Find number of electrons, protons, neutrons. Protons is equal to 7. Then neutrons or number of electrons is equal to Z plus number of electrons gain. Negative charge is present, means they are accepting electrons. How many electrons is accepting? Z plus 3, means 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 electrons is accepting. Next, neutrons is equal to A minus